Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Watch this. So, this morning now, I'm going to talk about, for those of you who don't know, this is the morning thoughts video. This is where I come every morning, right before I go inside on my job, go work, my daily bread, I give my thoughts. You know what I say, my morning thoughts, share my morning thoughts with my audience. So, Brains made a video. If you don't know, Brains is the wifey, Brains and the Beat on YouTube. Go check out our channel. She did a video yesterday that had me laughing my ass off when I got home because the video was titled Jamaicans Abroad versus Jamaicans at Home. And her channel have the two video clip. One of, which I know everybody probably seen by now, the video of a lady walking in the snow, and she had tell everybody say, she walking in the snow and she tell everybody say, yo, life hard or foreign, and this is what we have to do in order to send things home for y'all, and all these things. So we don't want this, we don't want that, we must come together, Jamaica. The end of our messages, come together, Jamaica, and stop beg way. Make we go on when we want, go on when we have it for you, them kind of something there, right? Now the whole Jamaican beggy thing has been a topic for a while. Counteracting that video now, there's another video of a girl from Jamaica, in Jamaica, who take out for her video camera and she walk outside and she said, see it there? I'm a veranda, I turn up on, all my foot is drowning. Look over there, so. She said the tree them drowned in. She said everything is drowning. Uno get snow once a year. We get rain down here every day. The whole of we could be drowning. Uno want fish, uno want breadfruit. Man climb tree figure pick breadfruit and come go, could have drop out and broke him neck. And what bag of something? What I can you know some always try put sense to the thing, right? And what I've got from this is, and this ain't the first video, I've been meaning to discuss this for a while. There's an underbrewing going on of Jamaicans abroad versus Jamaicans a yard, and it's not in a good way, right? Like, I see it in the comment sections of many videos. Move your so and so and go, go suck out on there so and so far and you live boy and you know nothing about Jamaica and them kind of something there. Not only to me, to other people who have left Jamaica to find bread and butter in whatever other places in the world they can, right? My thing about it is this. My story goes like this. You see, one time me go Jamaica, I don't have to ask anybody for anything. If me give away something, it's because me want give it away, right? Me don't have no problem with my family ask me for a thing, because that's what they're supposed to do. That shows that the blood's still genuine. You see a real friend and your family member them will come in at your house, you see, and them will sit down and them will nyam out the same plate them you eat out of, and they're not gonna question your cleanliness. Them just know say you're clean, and that's why them par with you. Them will sit, yo, me like that shirt there, you know. So like how you go up tomorrow and you know come back for the next 2 years and so. Nobody left you in the closet, give me, make me go and beat it, man. Nothing wrong with that. But a lot of people I'm getting to realize is, I even did a video in the past when I talk about beggy, because when I go Jamaica the last time, I was getting begged, but strangers did not beg me, not family members. Strangers was begging me. And I said in that video, which I did probably about a year and change ago, family members in Jamaica, me are one of them where you can call walk and yam. Because I'm not talking about LA Lewis kind of yam. Walk and yam, big up to LA Lewis, the rest them never beat you down, but yeah, alright. Walk and yam. When that means, sir, me gonna the whole of my family member them yard go eat food. And as me come, they have something to offer. And it's all the things that I either don't have the time to prepare for myself while I'm living overseas, or it's not that authentic. You ever get roast breadfruit fry over in the morning with ackee we come off of the tree we out in the backyard, scotch bonnet cut up in it from the tree out in the backyard, scallion thyme and all these things in your thing, early in the morning, ackee and saltfish and them kind of something there, with your fry over roast breadfruit. As me go, you ever get the roast beef or roast pork? I mean, not really eat pork, you know, really. Can't tell you no one next story, but anyway, watch me. I don't have to beg my family nothing. When me go, them treat me like a king. Every house when me stop is a feast. Me I tell you, is a feast. Sometimes me have to plan like how me I go say no cause my belly so full. But it's disrespectful to say no, so me have to go in there and go eat a plate of food and lay down in a car when me I left and make my cousin drive cause me tired, cause my belly full. I'm not worried about that. What I'm trying to get to is this. On both sides of the aisle, we both need each other. This is the problem I was talking about before when we start to separate ourselves. You do have those Jamaicans that go on like say, through them reach a foreign, them are not Jamaican no more. Or like Jamaica is the worst place in the world. I highlight the friggeries that's going on in Jamaica all the time because I've always said I'm on my journey right now, and my journey is going to bring me full circle. You will be calling me Dr. So-and-so one day in Jamaica. That is my dream, right? Right now, I'm paying my dues and I'm making my way back home. In the meantime, I don't live home yet. But you do have those who, them not reach nowhere. As soon as them reach a foreign, them go on like say, me? Dash stone behind me. Me no remember Jamaica again, right? Those are the people that, and them come down once every 5 to 10 years. And when them come down are the most flashiest this and flashiest that, all them accent change and them twingy twangy and speaky spokey and go on like say them, they forgot how to relate. You know what I mean? Now, those Jamaican and them a beg me, that's why I go stay in an all-inclusive hotel. Me not stay in no all-inclusive hotel. Me actually feel I want to stay in an all-inclusive hotel one day just to see what it's like. Me been there before, but I've never stayed prolonged stay in them. Me God, I'm a family place. You dig? Because I move up and down all over Jamaica. So, we have to start realize, whether you're there foreign or you're there Jamaica, you're still Jamaican. And we must be grateful on both sides because we need each other on both sides. Them people that were left Jamaica for 20 years, 30 years, gonna make good life a foreign, and then them come back and expect for just come in at the place and build up big house and lock them door and no with your foreign mentality and nobody not talk to you. That's how them live over here. Your neighbors could live next to you in the USA for 20, 30 years and they will never say hi to you and you will never say hi to them. Or the most you will do if you book up driveway to driveway, you will say, and go inside. And in Jamaica that, we bridge the fence. We talk to each other, right? So when you come back into the community with your foreign attitude and mentality, and them thing there, and mash up the thing. And you have the one them up here where cost them family back home. Cause if your people them ask you for things and you can't afford it or you don't have it, say look man, me not like how you always beg me for things in a life rough with me just like it rough with Uno. Me not have it, but when me have little something me send when me can come give you. Me can't send no iPhone 7 and all that, but me get a little Samsung, it's still expensive to me and send it come give you. Will that be good? You know what I say? Me can't buy the latest Nike Jordans, but me can buy you a fresh pair of Reeboks. And that me can do. Cause it all cost 3 times less the price. And me can still pay my light bill. Be real with your people. Don't be going down there in Jamaica going like say you're a multi-millionaire or foreign. And you dash out money and buy out bar and every day is all white and this and that. And you rent big Benz and you do. And then time when you come back up a foreign, bills are kill your blood clip because then just put eviction notice on your door. Your car have to go hide round at your friend house, lock up in a garage because the repo man look feet because you don't pay the monthly payment yet. You skip 2 of them and then both come pick it up and repo it. All these things. Stop the front end. Be real with your people. When me go Jamaica and marine and me beat the whole time what we call wife beaters and shots. Everybody will see me dressed fresher than me. Me not come for show off for nobody. I come to enjoy my home. I come back home to enjoy my home. So this whole uno up a foreign a talk about where I beg uno. We need to stop it really and truly. That enough to say if you burn out the beggy attitude. You have some youth at Jamaica when they want to work for nothing. And all them want to do is beg as them see you so beg you a thing no. Why my general give me a thing no. And like Cartel saying at the song, if you give him today you're the general. If you don't give him tomorrow, you're a Batman. You're for dead. You know what I say? So that attitude needs to cut out. But when it comes amongst with people, man, and we start talking about this thing that's causing a division between us now. Jamaican and foreign versus Jamaican and Jamaica. Me don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. Because again, we both need each other on both sides of the aisle. Me would love to know my Jamaican family and Jamaica can lock down my business plans for me, and me can work with them and them can work with me, and where them can get down there, me can get it up here, and when me can get up here, me can get it down there. You know what I say? There should be a part 2 to this video, because I'm going to talk about how enough things with them have a Jamaica, me can get it up here, but it's not authentic. Or if it is, the amount of something them spray upon it to preserve it and make it all that. The piece of yellow yam where I come out of my grandfather ground is not the same piece of yellow yam when I go buy at the food store in Miami. But we talk about that later. SouFLoTV, man, big up on yourself. Jamaicans worldwide. Caribbean people, period. The whole of we are one big family, so you can take this and apply it to your country. Alright? I'm out of here, man. Go and look my daily bread. You see what I say? Productivity. Peace.